Hello YouTubers, Anthony Mwambazi from Antec Technical Services Pty Limited, coming back to you with our short series videos on installations. We are here in Joburg in Fourway Cedar Square area specific. We have just finished installing now a 12 kilowatts lux power with, as you could see there, 2 Hubble batteries in progress. We'll probably add some later in the future. And we have a whopping 610 watt panels, 7 of them for starters on the roof. And I'm just going to take you through the steps. So here is our Lux Power 12 kilowatts. So just light it up. Currently, as you could see, it's charging the batteries, feeding the house. And this 12 kilowatts has internal breakers. As you could see, bypass, it can push up to 90 to 100 amps, I think. Bypass, but off-grid, it will faithfully give you a whopping 50 amps. And then we've got our grid breaker and our, as you could see, our smart load breaker. So it's actually got 3 outputs. That's the one for the CT where it can compensate feedback into the system. At the same time, it's also got a generator port. It also does have a smart load function that you could use for heavy loads. As long as your batteries are over 95% to 100%, you could put in heavy boilers and systems like that are within the rating. So moving along, we have a 250 amp fuse disconnector. We have our Hubble battery AM2, 2 of them, 100 AH, which is a 5 kilowatt hour each. So at 20%, we're looking at about, faithfully, it will give you 8 to 9 kilowatt hours faithfully. And then moving along, we have our 1-string combiner box. Over there, we have our PV plus, PV minus, SPD, and we also have our isolator for maintenance purposes. And then our DC cables run in through up to there and it stops. And then on this section, we have our AC and we have our battery cables coming in. And there we have on our AC protection box, we have our incoming 63 for the AC protection, pilot lamps to represent the presence of Escom on the inverter. I've got the SPD. We've got our changeover switch, the big frame. And then into the inverter, we're pushing in 50 and we're pushing in 50 out. And practically, YouTubers, there really isn't much to say about the system. It's a brilliant system. And I think I'm excited. We've actually jumped from your 5 kilowatt, 5000 SNA inverters to your 12 kilowatts, which better faithfully deliver a bit more capacity for the property. Well, YouTubers, as usual, you can always catch me on 082-3427-946. 082-3427-946 is Anthony signing out from Antec Technical Services. Enjoy.